Can you guess the 1950s and 70s British classic cars by rear end? Pick the right answer from A to D to earn 5 points, or guess it from the picture before the options for a bold 10 points. Let's see who really knows classics. Which car could this be? Option A, 1969 Chrysler Hunter. Option B, 1970 Hillman Avenger. Option C, 1971 Ford Cortina. Option D, 1972 Vauxhall Victor. The answer is B, 1970 Hillman Avenger. Looks obvious, or not. Option A, 1948 Vauxhall Velox. Option B, 1959 Mini. Option C, 1958 Fiat 600. Option D, 1959 Renault 4. The answer is B, 1959 Mini. Can you recognize it? Option A, 1953 Ford Popular. Option B, 1954 Standard 8. Option C, 1952 Austin A30. Option D, 1953 Morris Minor. The answer is A, 1953 Ford Popular. Which car is it really? Option A, 1948 Morris Oxford. Option B, 1949 Austin A70. Option C, 1958 Rover P4. Option D, 1950 Standard Vanguard. The answer is C, 1958 Rover P4. Do you know this one? Option A, 1974 Morris Marina. Option B, 1972 Ford Escort. Option C, 1973 Austin Allegro. Option D, 1971 Vauxhall Viva. The answer is C, 1973 Austin Allegro. Which classic could this be? Option A, 1950 Hillman Minx. Option B, 1949 Austin A40. Option C, 1948 Morris Minor. Option D, 1947 Standard 8. The answer is C, 1948 Morris Minor. Old school mystery. What is it? Option A, 1931 Ford Model Y. Option B, 1932 Hillman Minx. Option C, 1933 Morris 10. Option D, 1934 Austin 7. The answer is B, 1932 Hillman Minx. Can you identify it? Option A, 1971 Vauxhall Ventura. Option B, 1972 Triumph 2000. Option C, 1973 Opel Rekord. Option D, 1972 Ford Granada. The answer is D, 1972 Ford Granada. Recognize it instantly? Option A, 1960 Fiat 500. Option B, 1959 Volkswagen Beetle. Option C, 1958 Renault Dauphine. Option D, 1959 BMC Mini. The answer is D, 1959 BMC Mini. Which car is this? Option A, 1972 Austin Maxi. Option B, 1971 Morris Marina. Option C, 1970 Ford Cortina. Option D, 1969 Vauxhall Victor. The answer is B, 1971 Morris Marina. Can you tell what it is? Option A, 1964, Ford Anglia. Option B, 1962, Hillman Imp. Option C, 1963, Vauxhall Viva. Option D, 1963, Austin A40. The answer is C, 1963, Vauxhall Viva. What's your call? Option A, 1963 Vauxhall Victor. Option B, 1962 Ford Cortina. Option C, 1962 Morris Oxford. Option D, 1961 Austin Cambridge. The answer is B, 1962 Ford Cortina. Which one is correct? Option A, 1946 Austin A40. Option B, 1952 Standard Vanguard. Option C, 1948 Rover P3. Option D, 1947 Hillman Minx. The answer is B, 1952 Standard Vanguard. Can you place it? Option A, 1949, Rover P3. Option B, 1950 Austin A90. Option C, 1948 Standard Vanguard. Option D, 1949 Triumph Mayflower. The answer is D, 1949 Triumph Mayflower. Is this car familiar? Option A, 1968 Triumph Vitesse. Option B, 1970 Opel Manta. Option C, 1969 Ford Capri. Option D, 1971 BMW 2002. The answer is C, 1969 Ford Capri. Which classic is this? Option A, 1948 Vauxhall Velox. Option B, 1950 Austin Shearline. Option C, 1949 Ford Pilot. Option D, 1947 Humber Hawk. The answer is A, 1948 Vauxhall Velox. Can you spot it? Option A, 1956 Triumph TR3. Option B, 1957 Austin Healey 100. Option C, 1955 MGTF. Option D, 1955 Jaguar XK 140. The answer is C, 1955 MGTF. Does this ring a bell? Option A, 1969 Opel Kadett. Option B, 1968 Ford Escort. Option C, 1968 Vauxhall Viva. Option D, 1967 Hillman Hunter. The answer is B, 1968 Ford Escort. What do you think? Option A, 1961 Morris Oxford. Option B, 1967 Austin 1100. Option C, 1962 Vauxhall Victor. Option D, 1963 Ford Consul. The answer is B, 1967 Austin 1100. Final challenge. Can you nail it? Option A, 1961 Ford Prefect. Option B, 1960 Morris Minor. Option C, 1959 Ford Anglia. Option D, 1958 Standard 10. The answer is C, 1959 Ford Anglia.